My name's Josh Mason, and I am co-owner and co-founder of Oldwood Custom Cabinets. I've been doing cabinet work for about 15 years now, and I've been finishing for about the same amount of time. The Guffey system has lots of different types of hangers, and you can use them for so many different things. If you really get creative, you can unlock so many methods of hanging all types of things. Vent hoods for above cooktops, wood countertops, large, small panels, drawer fronts, doors. I'll hang anything. My brother is always nervous at some of the stuff that I try to hang, but I will hang anything I can off the Guffey reel because it's just such a game changer from having to set it on sawhorses and walk around it. It's just nice to be able to hang like a giant vent hood, 3-foot vent hood, and spin it around, spray all 4 sides if I want to, and then just slide it out of the way instead of having to call one of my workers over to help me hoist it on and off of a set of sawhorses.